Right, so we're going to go ahead and put all this back together, being careful because it's not had 4 hours to cure yet. So I'm just going to be really careful and just, yeah, we'll see how it goes. So now I've got them in, we'll stick the grill on, which will then join the bumper together, and we'll put the third bit of the grill at the bottom of the bumper, not the grill, and then shove it back on the car and we're good as new. Better than new. Better than new. You just rather watch me fall from a golden mile. I can see you at the call. Think about it, ring won't tell you what I saw. When you break it off, you'll see who had it all. Not putting a badge on it yet because it was pink, and again I sprayed it shit pink, so I'm going to either find an overlay or spray it again pink and then put it on, so it's going to, yeah, it's not going to happen. Excuse me, come back out, you don't live there. Now you want to see me fall from a golden mile. I can see you at the call. Think about it, ring won't tell you what I saw. When you break it off, you'll see who had it all.
Make
Easy access as well.
Yeah.
I've actually done it. I didn't think I was going to get stumped.
Are you joking?
No. I was sort of convincing myself when I was telling you. I didn't got a promise. Because I promised, I got it done, did I?